with the marketing and selling, not with the developing a program. We have a lot of people coming to us and they're like, yeah, but I can't start marketing because I don't know what my program will be. I haven't created my program yet. This is a big mistake. This is actually something I don't think we talked enough about earlier. And you don't have to create your program. Because when you sell and market, when you do these 4 steps, when you work on selling, you can develop your programs easily after that. You need to start with the marketing and selling, not with the developing a program. Because here's the truth, from time to time, people come to us and they have developed this fantastic looking, very professionally done course, and it sits in a course portal and it's ready. But there's no single clients there. There's no people in the course. They haven't sold one single one of the course that they used so much time and effort and money and energy to produce. And I never seen someone that could sell and market a course but wasn't able to deliver it. But I've seen a lot of people producing nice looking courses but not being able to sell and market it. You need to start with this 4-step process of selling and marketing, attracting your right audience, warming them up and selling your program. And then you produce the course. And when I say produce the course, you can even deliver your course live. You can do it as in a Zoom meeting, as we are doing now. You can have people buying your course and you just deliver it with them live. So there are a lot of ways to get that course produced, but don't think that you need to do that first. You don't need to do that first. You need to start working on your niche, working on the way to attract the right people, working on the way to build a relation, and working on your sales. And then that's what you do. And then after that, you deliver this program. You figure out how to deliver your program. And of course, you need to have an idea on how it's going to work before you start selling it. But you produce the program after you sold it. This is really important. If you want to 3x your leads, your sales, and your high-paying clients, and you want to do that online, we have good news for you. The 3 days virtual AweSM event is back. This year's topic is the Knowledge Business Intensive Conquer the Chaos. This event is aimed at infopreneurs, people selling their knowledge. We will have 3 days live with us and with some of the biggest marketers in the world.
We invited some of the best ones with the best knowledge when it comes to traffic, when it comes to funnel building, when it comes to copywriting. Know these secrets that no one else wants to share.
So the knowledge that we and the top international speakers will be sharing with you in this event is things that we have tested. We have worked with hundreds of clients all over the world. We know it is working. It is best practice and it is what is working now. So the event is for you if you want to 3x your leads, your sales, and your high-paying clients, and you want to do that online, which means you can create a location-independent business where you can take your computer and serve clients in as big geographical area as you want. In this event, you will also have the chance to interact with other coaches, consultants from all over Europe and Asia, sharing experiences, sharing best practices, and feeling part of a community, because we know that the entrepreneurial journey can be a bit lonely, and especially if you want to sell your knowledge online and you work online, maybe you feel like you don't have the community that you need.
Mark it in your calendar, set aside these 3 days for yourself, for your own business. This 3 days is where you want to implement things, so we'll listen to us, we'll give you tips, we'll give you exercises, and you are working on your business for 3 days. So this will be the 3 most valuable days for you this year to bring your coaching and consulting business to the next level.
Click on the link below or above and register for free, and we'll see you at the event.